What's up, trader? How's your weekend going? Are you excited for the coming week? I'm pretty excited. Why? No, start from this week, I decided to publish my weekly forecast and weekly analysis. So every Sunday night, GMT +7 time zone, I'll be publishing a new video of the weekly forecast for the coming week. And during the weekday, at the same time 8 p.m, there will be a new strategy, new tutorial, scalping, day trading, swing trading strategy, as well as tutorial for indicators. So I'll share all of that good stuff for free. So make sure you subscribe my channel, hit the bell button so you will not miss any of that. And also, I just created a Facebook page and the link is below. The publishing schedule will be down there and the Facebook page link also down there. So everything down there, make sure you check the description. Alright, that's everything that I want to announce for now. Now let's get started with my coming week analysis and forecast. Whoop. Right, so the first pair will be USD/Japan Yen. Let me go to 4-hour time frame to have a better look at the general direction of the market. I'll get the trend line from the previous high. So you can see the price has been 2 times retest the trend line level from this high. 1, 2, and right now you can see the price keep retesting the trend line level. In here I see support and resistance level specially created from the previous consolidation area on 4-hour time frame, start from 14 until 26 April. We have another resistance level in here. We may expect to have another short-term consolidation area sideways or that way. I would say we possibly will have this level as the support level. So what is my point of view for USD/Japan Yen this week? We may expect there will be a consolidation area during this range, or the price will go like this until this level and go up. In case the price go down like this, I will not enter any sell trade because the risk reward ratio is really bad to me, so I prefer to wait for a buy setup. I may skip trading during the consolidation area as well, but if you know how to trade the sideways, then you may enter during this trade. And in case the price does not fall into that 2 scenario, then it might break this level, the top resistance level. Well, in that case, I will look for a buy setup and enter the trade. My take profit will be here, and stop loss I'll place somewhere around this zone. For UCAD, look at the previous price structure. Possibly we'll have another short-term downtrend. Let me get a channel tool to make it clear. Okay. We may expect price to have a little correction and finish its way to the resistance level of the previous high, and bounce back with a short-term downtrend with the same pips compared to previous impulsive way. So on, so 400. So possibly if the price go this way, we'll have around 400 pips as well for this short-term downtrend. In case the price breaks the support level and go lower, if you already entered the trade in here, then you may move the stop loss and you may consider to add more sell position in here. If you haven't entered the market, then you may look for a sell setup around this area. Be careful with the false breakout and retest. In the second scenario, when the price moves like this and break the resistance level, then you may look for a buy setup in here. Take profit will be around here and stop loss will be around here. For New Zealand dollar, US dollar, in general we have an uptrend, but before we have a new uptrend, there will be a short-term downtrend. Let me get some light in here. So my point of view for this pair is you may see the price go to a lower light like this, or even break through it and go to this level, and then we have uptrend. I will not enter any sell trade in here, but if you know how to, then feel free to do so. Please keep in mind that during this movement, the price can go up anytime. And that is the reason I will not open any sell order, and I will only look for a buy setup. Once you see a good buy setup and you enter the trade, for take profit, you may set the take profit along this level or this level. For New Zealand CAD, we see the price repeatedly retesting the resistance level, while the bottom is getting tighter and tighter. So my prediction for this pair is the price will have a downtrend after this. You may consider to look for a good sell setup if the price breaks through this zone. For gold, we'll have a resistance and this support. In general and for long term, I would say there will be big downtrend, but before that, you may see the price ranging during this consolidation area, or there will be a false breakout. I will not open any buy order for the gold and only look to sell. So you may see a couple up and down wave during this consolidation area. The price can break the support level and retest, and we'll have a huge downtrend after that. Look at the price structure in this area, you know what I'm talking about. This downtrend will be a life-changing trend, so make sure you do not miss the ticket to get on the train this time. For GBPUSD, the general trend is up, but before we have another huge uptrend, then there may be another smaller and short-term downtrend we should expect. So for GBPUSD, you may see the price finish the current downtrend to reach the support level and bounce back. There may be some false breakout in here, so you be careful if you consider to sell during this time. Only look for a good buy setup. So my point of view for GBPUSD is short term downtrend, longer term will be uptrend. So I'll look for buy setup in here, and I might consider to add more buy order in here if I see a good buy setup in here. For GBP Japan Yen in general will have uptrend, but before we have a big uptrend like this, you may expect we have a short-term downtrend. So currently price is going to this direction. You may expect price to reach the support level or even break through it to reach around this level, and then we will have another big uptrend. So be careful when you consider to open any sell order during this down movement of the price, because the price could move up anytime. So for GBP Japan Yen, I only look for a good buy setup. There will be no sell order for me. For GBP CHF, in long term there will be uptrend, but before that you may experience a downtrend. So for this pair we have two scenarios. You see price go down, have consolidation within the blue box, or have a false breakout. Then you might look for a buy setup in here, because this uptrend will be as big as this uptrend. Otherwise, if price breaks through this zone and retest, start a downtrend, then you may look for a buy setup in here. For GBP CAD, based on the structure of the previous price movement, we may expect to have another downtrend, touch this level. But for longer term, there will be an uptrend. So first scenario, if the price moves like this, then you look for the good buy setup around here. For second scenario, if the price continue to make the consolidation area like this, then possibly after that there will be a huge uptrend. So you look for a good buy setup around this level. For EURUSD, we have a resistance level in here, another support level down here. So for EURUSD, there will be two scenarios. You may see the price continue its way to reach the support level. But then you see a significant down movement of the price. What I mean significant in here, you see a long bearish candle with almost no wick like this. Then you may expect price to even break through the support level and go even lower. So if you already have the sell order around here, you may consider to move the stop loss and add one more sell order around here if you see a good sell setup. Otherwise, for the second scenario, for the EURUSD, if the price create a consolidation area in here, then there will be high chance that the price will go up. So what I will do, I will look for a good buy setup around here. Once the price breaks through the consolidation area. For Euro Japan Yen, currently we see a price correction after, but then in the next few days we may expect another big uptrend. You may want to pay attention to the price behavior when the market reaches the blue zone in here, because high chance we'll have the big uptrend after that. So for me, I will look for a good buy setup during this level. Just like Euro Japan Yen, CHF Japan Yen currently have the price correction after a huge bullish candle in here. So you may expect to have a short consolidation area here, but after that there will be another big uptrend movement. So pay attention and look for a good buy setup in this area. For Australian and US dollar, in general we have an uptrend. But before we have another uptrend movement, you may experience a downtrend. The price may move like this, or even reach this level before move up. So in my advice, you pay special attention when the price approach and move into this blue zone. So like I said, the price may break through the zone and have a false breakout in here, but then bounce back. Or the price can have a consolidation area in here and goes up again. So for me, I will not open any sell order during this period, because at any time the price can continue the uptrend again. So what I will be looking for is, I will look for a good buy setup if the price move as my prediction during this area. For Australian versus New Zealand dollar, in general we have an uptrend, but before that we may experience a little bit of downtrend. The price may move like this, even to this level, before continue the uptrend again. So if you consider to open any sell order during this period, then you should pay attention to the price behavior within the blue zone. And that is my prediction for the coming week. So if you enjoy my analysis and forecast for the coming week, please share the video with your friend, with a trading mate, with a trading group. Whether you have the same opinion with me or you have different opinions, just leave a comment below. I really love to have discussion, and it is great to have different point of view. So don't feel like I talk to no one and there's still someone listen to me. Yeah, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel. That is a really great support. So this is the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next Sunday with the video forecast of the currency pair for the coming week. And we'll look back to this week and see how many currency pairs that I correctly forecast the direction. Alright, take care, happy trading, and stay green. Peace out!